Hey everybody, this is Jennifer Olson, and I found something fun in this soap vault that I just thought I would share with you today. I've been making soap for a very, very long time, and I came across this when I was decluttering and dehoarding my house, because we all have to do that, right? And I found this VHS tape. Now, I made this almost 20 years ago for a friend of mine who was taking it back to Japan so that the women who were aging and didn't have families to take care of them could create an income within their community to support themselves. And so I made this to teach the women in Japan how to make soap. It would be interesting to find out if anybody in Japan remembers this, but this was just precious, and I'm so glad that I haven't lost it. I mean, it's a VHS, and I am old enough to have actually had a VHS camcorder or recorder, and this was a really, really fun moment. So I just wanted to share that with you because, it's funny how we can come full circle. I've only been on YouTube for about a year now, and yet I've always wanted to share my craft and help others to find a way to share their creative outlet. And I hope you enjoyed this. I can't wait to watch this. I haven't watched this in years. It's going to be a very young Jen Olson from her Jentle Soaps company. Look, I've been around a long time. Making soap from scratch. And it's funny because I remember making this, and as I revisited over the years how different the concept of soap making has changed, and how many boundaries we've broken, and how many new ways to create that are out there, and how the things that we thought back when I was making soap for the first time have changed so dramatically. So I hope you enjoyed this little trip down memory lane, and I look forward to creating more with each of you. So I hope you have a wonderful soapy day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye for now.